This is how to rotate your screen on your iPhone 14 Pro. First thing you want to do is go over here to your control center. So, top right corner, swipe down. Here's your control center. Check out this icon right here. See the little lock right there, and it's got the arrow, the circle arrow? If that is activated like it is right there, you will not be able to rotate your screen. So you want to make sure that is toggled off. So just click it to toggle it off. Leave your control center there. Go to an application like Google or Safari or whatever you use, whatever browser you use, and then you should be able to rotate your screen simply like this. Boom. Go back. Now I just want to show you, if I do toggle this on, I won't be able to rotate the screen. See, it doesn't work. And so that's why you have to make sure that this is toggled off so it will rotate. And that is how to rotate your screen on your iPhone 14 Pro.